So the other day my car wouldn't start, and I would get about a single click whenever I would try to turn the key. So what I did was I came down here and knocked the, you can't really see it too well, but I knocked the starter a little bit with a wrench, and it was able to start then, so I'm assuming it's bad. So we're going to go ahead and change it out with this new one that I was able to pick up for about 70 bucks off Amazon. So first we're going to come over here and disconnect the battery. And then we're going to remove this here, but I need to get something to unclip these. As you can see, my car's been through a little bit, and I don't have the regular clips. So let me go get something to undo that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and remove this piece here. Now that I've got that piece out the way, we're going to take this radiator fluid overflow tank out the way, and you can just pull this little clip here, which should pull it right up. What we'll do is we'll just set that to the side for now. So now if you're looking down there, you can actually see the starter here. It's got a couple wire connectors right here that we're going to pull out the way and unbolt. See that bolt right there. And so based off of the replacement, that one is 14 millimeters, so I'm going to go loose that up and try to pull this thing out. All right, now that we've got this piece right here off and out the way, we're going to go in and we're going to take out this bolt right here. And then there's another one under here. It'll be a little bit more challenging to see, but you'll be able to find it here. Right there. And these are 18 millimeter. And we'll be able to, should be able to slide this thing right out after we get those undone. They might be a little challenging to remove though. So I heard some other people saying you had to actually go from underneath the car to get these bolts undone, but I was actually able to loosen them both up from the top. So hopefully we can pull this thing out from the top and put the new one back in the same way, and we'll see how that works out. So I got those out, and I realized I missed the wire that was connected to it here, right here, and so that's a 8 millimeter bolt right there. That'll pull that right out. So we're gonna undo that real quick. Here's to hoping this new one goes in a little bit easier than the old one went out, and it did. So let's fasten these bolts, and then we'll reattach the wires that we unattached, and see how this thing runs. Alright, so now that we got those in, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this wire right here back on that little top bolt. And now that that's in, we're gonna take off this bolt here. I'm gonna put this one right on top. Alright, with all that back in place, we're gonna put everything else back the way we got it, and then we're gonna reattach the battery, and we'll try this thing out and see how it works. Everything back to normal. Moment of truth. Let's see if our guy works. Beautiful. Alright, that's how you change out your starter on your Versa. Thanks for watching.